kitty say?
Meow.
What does a medium-sized kitty say?
Meow. Meow.
How about a big cat?
Meow.
A really big cat?
Meow.
A really, really big cat?
Meow.
An enormous cat?
Meow.
What about the biggest kitty in the whole world?
Meow.
And the baby kitty?
Meow.
And how about a little dog?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
That's not what a dog does.
Meow.
No. What about a medium dog?
Meow.
No. Ruff. What about a big dog? A really big dog? A really big mean dog?
What mean I say?
You don't want to be a mean dog? Okay. What's a really nice dog say?
Meow.
A really nice dog says meow?
Hmm?
I thought only kitty said meow.
Oh.
What does a duck say?
Rat, rat.
A cow?
Boo.
A horse?
Yeehaw.
No, it's a cowboy. A horse says neigh.
No, that's a sheep.
A sheep says neigh?
Huh?
I thought a sheep said ba, ba.
No, the sheep. Back.
Ba.
I told you the sheep say back.
Okay, what's a piggy make?